Alright, this is for all the people on the ham, but I'm kind of young and I'm trying, but I can't seem to get it, but maybe someone could shed some more light. I just got this today, the pickle fork, and I put it in here, and I've been hammering away at it. I've been hammering away right here too, where you guys said. I can't get that little gap to go up so I can get the spring out. I got this one out. It's loosened on there, but I can take it off if I want to, but this one won't budge. I can't get it to close this little gap here, but I've been trying and trying. I have that. I thought about loosening this one, the nut up there, but I'm not sure if I should do that or not. But hopefully this video kind of sheds some light. But if you guys could help me out, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.